What if one tree could change a life? In Tanzania, climate change and deforestation threaten both nature and livelihoods. But change is possible. The Green Mission pilot project is planting over 60,000 trees across 6 districts of Tanzania, restoring forests, empowering youth, and building climate resilience. From classrooms to coastlines, we're transforming learning, farming, and living. Over 50,000 students will benefit from digital contents to outdoor hand-on learning. Using science and technology, we track carbon offsets, restore over 136 hectares, and support verified climate action. Makoko Development Foundation and Track a Team can help your team accomplish the mission. This is your moment. Be part of the green revolution. Sponsor a school, empower a farmer, protect a coastline. Visit www.green.mikoko.or.ts or join Track a Club.